The water pump is what keeps your engine alive by circulating coolant and preventing overheating. When it goes bad, you might see leaks, hear strange noises, or notice your temperature gauge climbing. Ignore these signs, and you risk blown head gaskets or even complete engine failure. In this video, I'll walk you through the key warning signs of a failing water pump, from dashboard alerts to serious overheating. And at the end, I'll also share whether the solution is to repair or replace it. Don't miss it, including the answer to the question every driver asks: how long can a car run with a bad water pump? So don't miss a second, because catching these signs early could save your engine and your wallet. Number 1. Dashboard alerts. One of the first signs of a failing water pump shows up on your dashboard. The engine temperature warning light may come on, signaling that the engine is running hotter than normal. While there's no dedicated light for the water pump itself, overheating on the gauge or warning light is often a direct result of its failure. Don't ignore it. This warning is just as serious as a check engine light. Number 2. Coolant leak. A visible coolant leak is one of the most definitive symptoms of a bad water pump. If you find a puddle of green, orange, or pink fluid under the front of your vehicle, it's a strong indicator. The pump's seals and gaskets wear out over time, allowing coolant to escape. This leak is often a clear answer to how to tell if yours is bad. Always check for drips or residue around the pump's housing. Number 3. Engine overheating. This is the most critical symptom of a bad water pump. If the pump fails, it can no longer circulate coolant. Without this vital circulation, engine heat has nowhere to go, causing it to overheat rapidly. Key overheating symptoms include a temperature gauge climbing into the red zone and a sweet burning smell from the coolant. Driving an overheating engine is a direct path to a blown head gasket or total engine failure. Number 4. Whining or squealing noise. Unusual sounds from the engine are a common red flag. Bad bearing symptoms usually sound like a grinding or whining noise, a clear sign that the internal bearings are worn. A high-pitched squealing noise that changes with engine speed can also be a sign of trouble. This might come from a loose pulley or a belt slipping over the water pump. You might notice this noise when idling, and it often becomes more pronounced when accelerating. Since the pulley is directly attached to the water pump, these sounds should never be ignored. Number 5. Fluctuating temperature gauge. Before a full-blown overheat, you might notice your temperature gauge behaving erratically. It could climb, drop, then climb again. This fluctuation is a symptom of a water pump that is failing intermittently. The pump's impeller might be slipping, or the bearings are binding, causing inconsistent coolant flow. Number 6. Rust or corrosion around the pump. A visual inspection can reveal a lot. If you see rust, pitting, or a buildup of residue around the water pump's housing, it's a sign of a slow, persistent coolant leak. Sometimes the leak is so minor that the fluid evaporates before it can drip to the ground, leaving this telltale corrosion behind. This buildup is a clear physical symptom of a water pump that has already reached the end of its service life. Number 7. Steam or smoke from the radiator. Seeing steam or white smoke billowing from under the hood is a critical symptom of a severe engine overheat. This happens when the coolant boils over due to the pump's failure to circulate and cool the fluid. If this happens, pull over and shut off the engine immediately to prevent irreversible damage. Number 8. The car is losing power. A noticeable loss of power is another serious symptom linked to a failing water pump. When an engine overheats, its electronic control unit, ECU, may engage a limp mode. This safety feature intentionally reduces engine power to limit heat and protect the engine. If your car feels sluggish and the temperature gauge is high, the bad water pump is the likely culprit. By the time this happens, the water pump has already failed badly. It's not an early warning, but a final stage. Some of us also ask this: how long can a car run with a bad water pump? The honest answer is not long enough to risk it. Once the pump starts showing symptoms, it's only a matter of time before it fails completely. The safest solution is replacement, because water pumps cannot be repaired reliably. A certified mechanic will often replace the pump together with the timing belt or serpentine belt, since these parts work side by side and wear at the same pace. Fresh coolant is also added during the service to keep the entire cooling system protected. Taking care of the issue right away not only prevents overheating, but also saves you from costly engine damage later on. A bad water pump isn't just another repair, it's an engine killer if ignored. That's why spotting the symptoms early is so important. If you've noticed any of the warning signs we covered, from coolant leaks to overheating, don't wait. Have your car inspected by a trusted mechanic right away. Remember, replacing a water pump is far cheaper than replacing an engine. Protect your car, protect your wallet, and keep your vehicle running reliably for years to come. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more pro car tips, and share this with anyone who cares about keeping their car on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.